If you've ever hired a lawyer or gone through any kind of legal process, you know legal fees are not cheap, period. That's how it is. So understandably, many people will say, well, I can just do my own estate plan. And in this age of the internet, you can probably go online and you can probably find a form. You might even get legal counsel that you get from the person who sold you the form. The reason that I did this is that, you know, how good is that legal counsel going to be? The reason I say that is that if an attorney is in private practice, they will charge you for their services, and you would expect that. You expect to pay for professional services. Whenever you're looking at something where you're getting it on the cheap, you have to wonder, well, what am I not getting? What am I giving up? There is nothing like a one-on-one meeting with an attorney. You can do it in person, you can do it on Zoom, but you make sure that that attorney has your back and not somebody else's. They owe a responsibility to you to do the right estate plan for you. And when you buy it from some online company, I mean, are you really getting that advice? And you got to wonder. So yes, you could try to do your own estate plan yourself. I've already explained some situations and given you some examples of why that might be a bad idea. Of course, you know, I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney. I've seen things gone wrong. I've seen the benefit of the services that are provided by a good estate planning attorney. I do recommend that you seek them out. How are you going to find a good estate planning attorney? You know, do your research. You can talk to friends, relatives, see who they like. Make sure that the attorney is well qualified. Make sure that they're not what I call a generalist. A generalist is somebody who, you know, kind of think of it in doctor terms. You don't go to an orthopedic, you go to an orthopedic surgeon if you need a shoulder surgery. You don't go to a generalist. They won't do it. Is your situation important enough that you're going to go to somebody who really knows what they're doing? A generalist, somebody who will, you know, do family law, DUI, criminal law, charge you $500, give you a form, you sign it, nice to see you. They're not providing you that level of service that you're not better off than if you would have done your own online form, in other words. So, you know, it's up to you. I've already explained. You can have a really good plan that provides great results. You'll need to see a well-qualified estate planning attorney to do that. Or you can have a mediocre plan and it's kind of going to be a crapshoot. You can do that online. You can see somebody who doesn't really focus on estate planning. Or you can do the state's default plan, which we've talked about, which is your no plan, but there is still a state default plan. So, you know, it really is, you know, where you're at in your life, what's important to you. You know, do you see value in the services that are being provided? Do you trust that person to care enough about you to do a good estate plan for you? So I encourage you to look into it, to do your research, you know, to reach out. You can interview attorneys, see who you feel most comfortable with. I mean, there's all sorts of things. It's important, so that I do really recommend that you do that.